Val says, how safe is Local Fury for our GBP? It's safe. We developed it specifically. We stay on the conservative side of signals, guys, for a reason. We focus, again, this whole Pump Day Hangouts today has been about multi-location businesses and branding. And Local Fury, we push brand signals more than anything, guys. That's what I'm trying to, that's why I keep saying branding is so important. Local Fury is about pushing brand signals in the most natural and organic way that we can possibly do. And so we stay on the conservative sides of CTR. We do lower volume of signals, but it's the way that we generate them and how we're always trying to push brand signals so that we can build strength and authority to the brand. How many times have I said that today? Right? So is it safe? Yes. If it wasn't safe, we wouldn't be offering it as a done for you service.